Salmon is an incredibly delicious fish that can be eaten raw, smoked or cooked to perfection, and it is full of amazing health benefits. Here are 10 superior health benefits of salmon. 1. It's the ultimate brain food. Salmon is an incredible source of omega-3 fatty acids, as well as containing vitamins A and D and minerals such as selenium. Studies have shown that salmon improves cognitive function, memory retention and reduces signs of depression and age-related diseases. 2. It's packed with vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency can lead to fatigue, depression, bone and joint pain, and muscle tension, which makes salmon the perfect addition to your diet. 100 grams of salmon offers 112% of your daily requirement for this essential vitamin. 3. It's an excellent source of B vitamins. Vitamins B3, B6 and B12 are important for supporting our bodies to get better sleep, convert food into fuel and stay energized, and salmon is an excellent source of complex B vitamins. 100 grams offers 200% of the daily minimum value of vitamin B12, which makes it one of nature's best sources for better health. 4. It's a superior source of protein. Salmon contains 40% of pure, powerful protein, which serves as the ultimate building blocks for your muscles and tissues. Each 100-gram serving offers 40 grams of strengthening amino acids, which is why so many doctors, dietitians and trainers recommend eating salmon at least a few times a week for a healthier body. 5. It's healthy for your heart. The rich source of omega-3 fatty acids combined with the powerful antioxidants and amino acids makes salmon a great source of heart-healthy nutrition. Research has shown that salmon helps to relax blood vessels, lower cholesterol, reduce the risk of developing a stroke and preventing heart attacks. 6. It reduces inflammation. A diet rich in protein keeps glycogen levels in check, acting as a natural diuretic for excess fluid and inflammation. Salmon offers protein, but also contains bioactive peptides which have proven to reduce inflammation in joints and bones. The omega-3 fatty acids further assist to reduce inflammation throughout the body, bringing it back to a state of excellent health. 7. It's great for eyesight. Oily fish like salmon has been proven to reduce the risk of macular degeneration and to improve the hydration of eyes, keeping them full of antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids and tons of healthy, reparative vitamins and minerals. It also contains a good dose of vitamin A, which has been proven to prevent night blindness and lead to better eyesight. 8. It helps to prevent cancer. Eating oily fish like salmon has proven to reduce the risk of developing cancer, in particular colorectal, prostate and breast cancer. This is due to the rich dose of essential fatty acids as well as the mineral selenium, which is a powerful antioxidant. By eating 100 grams of salmon a few times a week you will be giving your body exactly what it needs to help prevent cancer. 9. It's vitamin and mineral rich. Each portion of salmon, whether on sushi or served as a main meal, contains an intense dose of important vitamins and minerals, such as vitamins A, B, C and D, potassium, calcium, iron, selenium, phosphorus and magnesium. This makes it an excellent choice for meeting your daily requirements of essential vitamins and minerals, which will boost your health significantly. 10. It nurtures your skin and hair. Every bite of salmon contains fish oil and essential fatty acids, which helps to boost the health of your skin and hair by nurturing it from the inside out. It also contains strong antioxidants that help to fight free radical damage from the sun and pollution, leaving your skin glowing and your hair long and strong. For all the latest health videos, please subscribe to this channel.